Magic Kingdom.
So his temperature was too hot to go through right now, so he has to sit in front of the cold AC right now to get his temperature down.
Live this down. I don't feel like this.
Monorail, it is. Say open sesame! So one of the biggest things we've noticed since getting off of the monorail is the crowd. There is no crowd going to the park right now. I've never seen such an empty Main Street in my life. It is so great. First ride of the day!
Let me go to Paris!
Alright, just a little update. We're doing a child swap with my parents. They're getting ready. They're on Splash Mountain as we speak, so as soon as they get off, we're going to go ahead and ride it too. It's probably the last time we see it as Splash Mountain with the characters that they have. So it should be a fun time.
You're too little.
Sadly, you're too little, buddy. You will never get to ride it. So that's our game plan, and then after that, we're going to go ahead and try to get him on his first roller coaster today. And Goofy.
It said it's temporarily closed, so hopefully it'll be open before we leave.
And hopefully it's not down for maintenance or hopefully it's down for maintenance and not like closed for renovations or something. So we'll keep you guys updated. It is a hot day out. Still not as busy of a park as usual. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, let's go wave hi to Liberty Bell. Look, it's a big boat. Sweet. I know, I was like, that never happens. It's a lucky hat now.
Sweet.
All right.
He got it.
It's officially in a lucky hat.
Hi.
He likes your shirt.
Oh, you like my shirt? Thank you. You're incredible.
First roller coaster. Happened to be my first roller coaster as a baby.
This is that one.
Yeah, let's go. So here's a good look of the Tron coaster right there. Tron update. Oh, here we go. Want to go on this one?
Yeah.
All right. This is the Goofy Barnstormer. You're 3 years old. Stand straight. Stand tall. Ooh, we're right at the front.
Little jockey up there. Please don't move.
Okay. Hang on tight. Look at these pop-pops. Alright, we're gonna go down. You ready? We're gonna go down. Here we go. Here we go. Hang on tight. Here, I can put your mask on.
Was that fun, Bryson?
Good job.
You have fun, Bryson?
Woohoo! Hang on. Woohoo! Good job, buddy. Is that fun?
No.
Yeah? Okay. Do you want to do it again?
No.
No? Why?
Dumbo? You don't like Dumbo.
For your safety, everyone.
Estamos con el cinturón ajustado, más dentro del vehículo. Y ya los pequeñitos.
Come on, this way. So Heather brings up a good point. Last weekend we actually went to Epcot for the first time since the COVID situation. And we had a better time over there. I don't know if it's just because this park's a little busier, or a lot busier than what Epcot was. But I don't know, it's not as magical as Epcot. What do you think?
Every ride here we've had to wait for. Almost every ride at Epcot we walked right on to, so that kind of made a difference for us.
Yeah, and then last weekend we were there on a Saturday about the same time frame. And then this weekend we're here on a Saturday about the same time frame.
Also,
Epcot closed at 9.
Yeah, Epcot closed at 9. Magic Kingdom closes at 7, so we're kind of short on time here.
Yeah, so now we're kind of rushing to get everything done. But Bryson did get his first roller coaster today, so I'm pretty happy about that as a dad. And yeah, it's all about the kids, so he had some fun. Peter Pan.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the haunted mansion. There's no turning back now.
So now we're gonna do that. So just a walkthrough. Whoa. It's definitely a ghost town in here. How many here? looks like they had enough time to come over here and trim all these branches now. It's pretty cool. Time for some Buzz Lightyear.
Yay!
Ready? Game on.
Go, Bryson, shoot!
Bye, sir.
Remember, infinity and beyond.
Who won?
Dad.
Well, I think I beat you this time.
Happy
I beat you. That's a good picture. Alright, so that's going to conclude today's little adventure out here at Magic Kingdom. My experience was pretty fun. I enjoyed it. Got low wait times and everything. What about you?
It was a good day. I'm really glad we came out.
We weren't originally going to come out just because there's going to be a hurricane. It's only a Category 1. We're supposed to come out here Saturday and Sunday, but we'll see how that all turns out. But not to mention, this guy right here rode his first roller
Tell them
coaster.
what you did. Can you tell them what you did?
Maybe I'm a roller coaster.
Yeah, good job.